Now fifth question, 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p minus 2.5q whole square. Here we can use a minus b whole square because first term is a, second term is b. Okay, then a minus b whole square we can try here, and here also we can apply a minus b whole square identity. So here we are using a minus b whole square identity. Here also we are using a minus b whole square identity. This identity we are using here. So apply the value here now. Write the question first. Same thing once again. Same thing once again we written here. Now here we have to apply the value. A minus b whole square identity. What is identity? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So first term is a value, second term is b value. Your first term is a value, second term is b value. So in the place of a we have to write a 1.5p here. In the place of b we have to write 2.5. Here in the place of a we have to write 2.5, and in the place of b we have to write 1.5. Now a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square formula. According to formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means we have to write 2.5 p whole square minus 2ab means 2 into 2.5 in p into 1.5 q. 2ab plus b square means 1.5, b value is here 1.5 q whole square minus, close the bracket, and minus. Here also we have to apply a square a minus b whole square formula. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a we have to write 1.5p. In the place of b we have to write 2.5q. So a square means 1.5p whole square minus 2ab means 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q plus b square means 2.5q whole square. Now simplify, children. Now here, children, 2.5p whole square. So we have to multiply 2.5p into 2.5. Now write 2.5p into 2.5p. What is the answer? Without decimal point. Check without decimal point. Means without decimal point it become 25. 25 is a 625. Direct multiplication. Okay. But then after one digit point to the answer after 2 digit point. 2.5 into 2.5 multiply and check, children, you get same answer. So here 6.25, see here 2.5p whole square means 6.25 p square minus, now we have to multiply this 2 into 2.5p into 1.5q. Multiply and check, 2 into 2.5 into 1.5. So here answer is 2 into 2.5 into 1.5 is answer is 7.5. Multiply and check. 7.5. After multiplication of 3 numbers you get 7.5 and pq. So 7.5 pq. So 2 into 2.5 into 1.5 is 7.5 pq, that is over, plus 1.5 q whole square we have to multiply. So 1.5 into 1.5 means first check without decimal point. Without decimal point means 15 is a 225, we know that square number, no? After one digit point, so after 2 digit point, so now this become decimal number. Answer is 2.25. Multiply and check, you get the same answer, 2.25. This is the direct method. So answer is 2.25. that is over. This bracket, simplification of that bracket is over. Minus, and again big bracket, second equation, 1.5. So here q square is that. Okay, 2.25 q square. Now again we have to multiply 1.5p whole square means 1.5p into 1.5p. So first multiply the number. 1.5 into 1.5 means we know the answer is 2.25 p square minus, now multiply 2 into 1.5p into 2.5. 2 into 1.5 into 2.5, answer is after multiplication 7.5 p, and p into q is pq plus symbol 2.5q whole square means 2.5 into 2.5 we have to multiply. 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. q square, q into q is q square. Okay, this is a simplification of this equation, and this is a simplification of this equation. Now 6.25 p square minus 7.5. After that minus symbol is there, so multiply and check the answer children. Now 6.25 p square minus 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q square, remove the bracket, minus into 2 is 2.25 p square, minus into minus is plus 7.5 pq, minus into plus is minus 6.25 q square. We are removing the bracket or simplifying. Now here we have to check any like terms are here. Any like terms means same variable, same letters. If same letters are given PP or QQ, PQ, same letters are means like terms. Only like terms we can add or subtract. Now minus 7.5 PQ and plus 7.5 PQ. Both are like terms, same family members, PQ family. Both are same PQ family, and here minus symbol, here plus symbol, so it means 0. So 7.5 PQ and plus 7.5 PQ we can cancel it. Any like term 6.25 p square. Any p square is here? Yes, 2.25 p square. 6.25. So we have to check 6.25 and symbol is minus 2.25. We have to check. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So here 6 like terms. Which is a like term? 6.25 p square and 2.25 p square. This is a p square family like term. So like term we can add or subtract. So here plus symbol, here minus symbol. So 4. Then here 2.25 q square and minus 6.25 q square. 6.25 minus symbol here 2.25. How much? Same answer. 4, no? Same numbers 4. So 6.25 p square like term and 2.25 p square same family member. So plus and minus means subtraction. Answer is 4.00 we can write, or 4 p square. 4.00 means 4 only. Then any other like terms? Yes, 2.25 q square and 6.25 q square, same family members. So here plus symbol, here minus symbol. Greater number symbol is minus. 6.25 minus 2.25 is 4. 4.00 means 4 only. So answer is q square. 4p square minus 4q square is the answer. Now 7th question. M square minus n square m whole square plus 2m square n square plus 2m cube okay, m cube n square. So here it means whole square. Whole square means first term is a value, second term is b. If first term is a and second term is b means it look like a minus b whole square. So here we have to apply a minus b, we have to apply a minus b whole square and solve the sum. What is the identity? A minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. This identity we have to use here. Then simplify the sum. Now write the same thing here. Write the same thing, same question here. Now a value means m square, b value means n square m, and we have to solve the sum. So in the place of a we have to write m square, in the place of b we have to write n square m. Now apply the value here. A square, what is identity? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square means we have to write m square whole square. A value is m square minus 2ab. So 2ab means 2 into m square into b value is n square m plus b square means n square m whole square plus, close the bracket, big bracket, 2m cube n square we have to write. Now simplified, m to the power 2 plus 2 is 4, adding. Okay, now we have to multiply 2 into m into n into n. Okay, m to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 2ab means 2 into no numbers means 1 is there, 2 ones are 2, m square into m is m cube, 2 plus 1 is power is 3 and n square as it is. N square m whole square means n square m whole square means multiplying n square m into n square m 2 times. N to the power 2 plus 2 is 4, m to the power 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so n to m whole square means multiplying 2 times. So n to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 and m square. Remove the bracket plus write the same number 2 m cube n square. Now let's take any like terms. Like term means same variable, means with the same letters. Now 2m cube n square plus 2m cube n square. So family name is m cube n square. So both are same family members. So this is like term. Only like term we can add or subtract. So minus 2 plus 2 means 0. So minus 2m cube n square plus 2m cube n square is cancelled. Remaining is unlike term. Different family, and this is different family. So that is unlike term. M to the power 4 plus n to the power 4m square. This is the answer.